This video is developed to enhance the refresher training on the use of the INEC Smart Card Reader for verification and authentication of voters in a polling unit. Features of the Smart Card Reader. The hardware component of the Smart Card Reader has the following features. 1. Fingerprint window. 2. Speaker and indicator. 3. Display and touch panel. 4. Main key area. 5. Card reading area. 6. Battery cover. 7. Shortcut buttons, which has the upper and the lower buttons. The upper yellow side button is used for fingerprint authentication, while the lower side button is used for PVC verification. 8. Charging and data transmission. Now let's turn on the device. Turning on the device. To turn on the device, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Check the battery level to ensure it is charged. If the battery is low, the red indicator will flash. In such a case, please charge the battery as soon as possible. Please note, the power button is also pressed whenever the device hibernates during use. After the device is turned on, the home screen displays 2 icons, the IFES software and the e-collation application. The presiding officer shall tap the IFES software icon on the home screen. Logging into the IFES software. Step 1. Input the username and password in the login screen. When the login button is pressed, the dashboard is displayed. The dashboard is where the interface between the user and the device starts. The dashboard has the following icons. 1. Verification icon. It is used to verify the authenticity of the permanent voter's card as presented by the voter. 2. The query icon. It is used to query the Smart Card Reader database to know the number of successful and failed accredited voters in the polling unit. 3. The communicate icon. It is used to transmit the accreditation data to the central server. 4. The information icon. This shows information about the software on the device. 5. The Close V icon. It is used to close the application after accreditation. It displays the total number of voters accredited, including the number of successful and failed accreditation. This should be pressed only at the close of polls. 6. The Logout icon. This icon logs out the user from the device. Verification. The Assistant Presiding Officer 1 shall, Step 1. Collect the PVC from the voter. Step 2. Place the permanent voter's card on the card reading area of the Smart Card Reader. Step 3. Press the verification icon on the dashboard or the lower yellow side button to verify the voter's PVC. The verification screen is displayed to read the PVC and verify that the PVC is issued by INEC and for that polling unit. Authentication. The Assistant Presiding Officer 1 shall, Step 1. Press the authentication icon to open the fingerprint scanning screen. Step 2. Request the voter to place his or her finger on the fingerprint scanner. Step 3. Press the camera icon or the upper side yellow button to authenticate the fingerprint of the voter. Step 4. If authentication is successful, a green indicator will be displayed and the scanned fingerprint will be displayed on the screen as well as a voice prompt stating that the verification is successful. If authentication is not successful, there will be a voice prompt stating that the verification is not successful and the voter is required to repeat the authentication process. Query. Press the query icon. When the query icon is pressed, it displays sum, success, and fail. At the close of polls, the presiding officer will press query icon to ascertain the total number of accredited voters, which is the sum of successful and failed authentication. After query, the presiding officer will press the communicate icon to transmit the accredited data to the central server.